Hello, welcome to my video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install Audacity audio editor and recorder software on Windows 10. First, search for Audacity on any favorite browser you choose. Then click the official website of Audacity. Then click to download the latest version of the installer. Once you download the installer, go to your Downloads folder. Click the installer and install the program as you install other programs. Once you have installed the program, click the program. And you will see that this is the user interface of the program. And that's pretty much it for how to install Audacity audio editor and recorder software on Windows 10. If this video is helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video tutorial, and have a good day.